Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I started to build my email list as a newbie, as a beginner just getting started. I didn't really know how to drive traffic and things like this here, and this is what I started to do at the start to get my first 70 email subscribers, and then eventually I did generate sales as well using a similar strategy, which I'm going to show you in this video. So if you can see in this screen here, what we're going to be talking about today is 24-hour traffic media. So this is basically a traffic strategy of where you can go and deploy to bring people to your website, and the people, when you deploy this strategy, you can get people to come to your site and being opting into your email list in as little as 24 hours. So what you can see here, this is what we're going to be talking about, 24-hour traffic media. And the strategy that I used at the start was that I just built a simple opt-in page, and then I directly linked after they opt in to the sales page, and I actually did generate sales using this strategy. So it's very possible for you to do the same. So what we want to talk about here first is actually, where do you create a landing page? So it's very important to do this step, because if you don't create a landing page and you just depend on the product sales page and it converts at 1%, when you go and spend money on ads and it's converted at 1%, you're not going to make as much money. Where if you build an email list and you follow up with people and build your community, you can get upwards of 15% conversion rate, which is going to give you a better return on your ad spend. So you want to build an email list and you want to have this opt-in page first, rather than just sending traffic straight to the sales page. You send your traffic to the landing page, and then once they opt in, you can send them to the sales page. Now, this is what I started doing at the start, and this is how you could get started as well if you want. And where we're talking about here, how to build a landing page. So this is a PDF that I'm going to leave below, and it's going to show you like a whole bunch of examples of different landing pages that you can model and create. And then, when you're ready, you can actually, build your own landing page here. So if you go to CameronLimitless.com/resources and you scroll down, you can see direct response marketing. This is a fast funnel builder where you can build very easily a simple landing page, or you can build a landing page here in this landing page software. Now there's two different ones here. You can pick whatever one you like. Now one of them's a little bit more expensive, one's not as expensive, but it's entirely up to you of which software you'd like to use to be able to build a landing page. But what I'll leave you link for you below is to this PDF of where you can see all these different landing pages to model. So say for an example, we are going to promote a certain product. So it doesn't matter what product you're promoting, but for this example, I'm going to go to Clickbank, and I typed in up here cryptocurrency. So I typed in crypto and I found this offer called Crypto Vault. And for this example, what the Crypto Vault page looks like. So it says here, controversial video reveals how to profit 1,000 plus per day trading penny cryptocurrencies, and you can watch this video. But this is just for an example on this one. So say you're in health, wealth, or relationships niche, it doesn't really matter. But for this example, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. So if we look at this here, say it's your sales page where you're going to be sending people and where you make money. So let's say we look at this here, it says controversial video reveals how to profit $1,000 plus per day trading cryptocurrencies. Then you go to this software, say you go to any one of these here, and then you want to model, say this here type of landing page. So what you could say when we look at that offer, we could write in here, free video reveals cryptocurrency secret. Okay, so once you're in that software, you'll be able to build this landing page. So you could write up here, free video reveals cryptocurrency secrets, learn how to profit $1,000 plus per day trading penny cryptocurrencies, enter your best email for instant access. And then they go, boom, enter their email, they go on your email list, and then you can send them a couple of emails taking them back to the sales page. Now you can see here that it says the hook for this here one is discover how to make real money. So your hook would be learn how to profit $1,000 plus per day trading penny cryptocurrencies. Then your story would be brand new video reveals cryptocurrency secrets or something like that. And then your offer would be enter your best email below for instant access. So you can model a similar page, and like it says here, there's 172 pages in this PDF that I'm going to leave for you below that you can go and pick up, and you'll be able to see all these different types of landing pages that you could model for your own offer. So say now we've made this landing page, and now we directly link it to this offer. So as soon as someone opts in, they go to this page here. Now this is what I started to do at the start, is I just sent traffic to an opt-in page, and then when they opted in, they went to the sales page, and I actually did start to generate sales this way. So it's really possible for you, my friend. Now once we have this landing page made, and then we have our autoresponder linked up in that there, and then put our retargeting pixel, which is super simple to do. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next couple of videos. We're going to want to get traffic. So this is the strategy I want to show you today, is the 24-hour traffic media source that I generated my first 70 subscribers to my email list when I was just getting started. So when you go to, say we're on the resources page, and you scroll down the bottom, you're going to see here solo ad vendors. Now if you click that area, you can make your account, and now this is a demo account that I made earlier. So let's say for example you want to go to find sellers. So you're inside your account, your solo ad vendor account, and we're going to go find sellers. Now I want to give you some pointers and some tips to really know before you actually go and deploy this strategy, or else you might not get the same results that you're looking for. So something that you want to do is you want to make sure and have a look here and make sure that people have been getting sales. So you want to have that either 30, 40, 50%, possibly around there. But this just means pretty much that sellers have generated for customers on 100 of the latest solo. So in the last 100 solo ads that they've generated sales. So if you have that above 30%, that's good, and then you can have that there. And you want to go to your niche. So on the niche you can have it marketing, finance, health, mobile, social, crypto. So for this example we're going to go for crypto, and then it filters out the people. So it says there's 22 sellers with these requirements, so they've made sales within the last 100 solo ads that they've ran, and then it's in the crypto niche. So let's say for an example we want to go with this guy. Now I'm not saying just go for this guy, but you want to have a look out and really find the right seller for your offer. So for an example we're going to go with this guy for this example. And what I want to show you here is that it's very important that you go for ad text. So you'll be able to put in your own subject headline here. So you could say model this here. So you say trading penny cryptocurrencies, right? So we could say copy this here, and we could add it in here. Trading penny cryptocurrencies. Okay, and then let's say we want to model what's in this video. So every passing minute, so you maybe want to watch the video, or you want to know more about your offer, so that you can write this email in here. But the email is really, the point of it is to filter through this person's email list, because if say you click here and you say seller will write custom text for you, or seller will create custom landing page for you, you don't really want to do that there, because the seller could write a really great email for you and send you a load of visitors, but they might not be the right visitors. In this, if you write the right message in here, say it's about your offer, so the people reading that, no, it doesn't matter if 1,000 people see this email, but the right people are going to click on it and come to your site. So you can write stuff about your offer. So say it's like learn how to trade crypto penny currencies, and things like this here, so that you'll be able to filter out this person's email list. Now this is a crucial step, and when you do that there, the right people are going to end up clicking on this solo ad, and then they're going to come to your site. So for an example, it's your model, it's something similar to this, and it says free video reveals and then learn how to make $1,000 plus per day, for an example. And then they opt in, and boom, they go to this here offer, and this is how you can do this strategy, my friend. I hope you like this video, and if you've got any questions with that there about anything, make sure and leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you. If you're new to the channel as well, make sure and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you inside the community in the future. Have a great day. I'll see you there.